Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another Git tutorial, that is Git Revert command. So let's get started with today's video. So what does this command do basically is it will revert some existing commits. So let's say if I'll pass commit ID, so it will revert the changes of that particular commit ID, and after reverted changes it will create a new commit with removing those changes of that particular commit. So let me show you my local repo. You can see I'm having 4 files here. So let me just write git log. You can see I'm having 3 commits till now. So in first one I have created about.php file, in second commit contact file, and in third I have created my privacy policy. So let me show you one commit. So let me create one new file, let's say terms.php, and after that write git add dot git commit, and let's say term file added. In this will be fourth commit, so write fourth commit. So now let's check the changes. Write git reflog. This command will basically keep track of when git references in your local repo changes. So you can see the fourth commit here. So you can also see the commits id. So let's revert one commit from here. So let's commit privacy policy 1. So copy the commit ID. So write command for revert, git revert. After that pass commit ID. So paste the commit ID and hit enter. Now you can see we need to pass the message. So it will take the message of reverted commit. So if you want to change the message, you can change. After that close it, write colon wq. So you can see privacy file is removed and a new commit is there. So let me just clear my terminal and now show you. So now write git reflog. So you can see the new commit and as well as commit message here. And if you are comfortable with git log, let me show you with git log as well. So you can see the message git privacy policy file in third commit, so it's a revert, and here you can see privacy file is also removed here. Now let me clear my terminal, and now I'm going to show you, let's say one revert I have done, and I'll make some new comments and then I'll revert back. Then what will happen? So I'm going to create new file, let's say new privacy.php. After that git add dot, and now let's create a new commit, git commit, and let's say write message new privacy file added in fifth commit. After that write git reflog. You can see there is a new commit. So now let's revert again a new commit. So let's revert contact 1. So copy the commit id. After that write git revert and paste the commit id, hit enter. Now you can see contact file is removed here. So just give some commit and close the file. So let's check the commit, write git reflog. Here you can see there is a new commit with revert. You can see contact file is also removed here. So now let me show you, if I'll change in the same file, let's say index file, then how git revert will work. So let me just change in index. So let me just change everything to revert here. Git revert, git pull to git revert, and save this. So now let's commit the changes. So git add dot, and after that write git commit command with message, let's say index file updated, and this one will be, let's say, I guess sixth commit or seventh commit. Now let's check the commit. So let me just clear the terminal first. After that write git reflow. Here you can see the latest commit. So now let's revert the commit with, let's say, new privacy 1. So now let's revert. So write git revert and new privacy commit id, paste here. Now you can see new privacy file is removed. So commit the file as well, save it, and you can see there is no changes in my index.php file, as only that particular commit is removed. There is no changes in index at that particular time. So there is Nothing changes in this index.php file, that is latest one. So with git reflog, you can see the latest commit. So I've shown you three scenarios with git revert. I hope this command is clear to you now. That's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.